If you've ever dropped your phone, keys, wallet, or fries into that black hole between your seat and center console while driving, you already know how ridiculously annoying it is. And what makes it worse? Some cheap seat gap fillers slide around, fall apart, or block your seatbelt after a week. Then you're right back to digging under the seat at traffic lights like a maniac. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best seat gap fillers that actually solve the problem the right way without looking cheap, getting in the way, or wasting your money. And real quick, if you're into practical car accessories that genuinely make daily driving easier, hit subscribe. I keep these reviews honest and based on real-world use, not marketing nonsense. I also drop the best updated deals in the description below, and if you've got a specific car interior setup or problem, leave a comment and I'll help you pick the right one. Starting at number 5, we've got the Givifive car seat gap filler set of 2. Now right away, this one feels designed for people who just want a simple fix without overthinking it. The material has a soft padded feel that sits comfortably between the seat and center console, and the shape works with most standard vehicle interiors without needing constant adjustment. It comes as a pair, which I always prefer because having one side covered and not the other drives me crazy after a while. In real-world use, this thing does exactly what it's supposed to do. Here's where this really stands out: it prevents everyday items from disappearing without making the interior feel cluttered. That's important. Some gap fillers look bulky or awkward, but this one blends in pretty well once installed. It's especially useful for commuters or anyone constantly tossing phones, coins, cards, or receipts into the console area. Compared to those cheap foam inserts that flatten over time, this setup feels more stable and durable. The only downside is that it's more about blocking the gap than adding extra storage, but for a lot of drivers, that's actually the better solution. Now the next one fixes a problem most people don't even realize they have until they install it: movement. Coming in at number 4 is the Edotim car seat gap filler. This one has a slightly more refined fit and shape compared to basic universal fillers. The material feels smoother, the stitching looks cleaner, and the design sits tighter against the seat without constantly shifting every time you adjust your seating position. You can tell some thought went into making it blend into modern interiors instead of looking like an afterthought. In actual use, this is where the tighter fit really matters. This is what most people don't realize: cheap gap fillers that move around become annoying fast. You end up fixing them every few days, which defeats the entire purpose. The Edotim stays in place surprisingly well, even during daily driving and seat adjustments. It also works nicely for keeping small items accessible instead of letting them vanish forever under the seat rails. I'd recommend this one for people who want a cleaner, more factory-style appearance without spending premium money. The drawback? On some wider seat gaps, you may need to adjust the positioning a little to get the perfect fit. But if you want something that starts feeling noticeably more premium inside the car, this next one steps things up. At number 3, we've got the LIBRALUX leather seat gap filler. And honestly, this is where aesthetics start mattering. The leather-style finish immediately gives the interior a more upscale appearance, especially if you've already got leather seats or darker trim inside the vehicle. The stitching looks solid, the padding feels denser, and the overall construction feels less like a cheap accessory and more like something designed specifically for modern car interiors. Here's where this really stands out in real-world use: it doesn't just block the gap, it improves the look of the cabin at the same time. That's rare with accessories in this price range. It also does a better job resisting compression than softer foam-style fillers, which means it holds its shape longer. I've found this type works especially well for drivers who care about interior appearance and don't want something that screams aftermarket add-on. And compared to flimsy universal inserts, this one feels substantially more durable over time. The only thing I'd mention is that lighter interior colors may need a little extra attention when choosing the right finish match. Now this next one is probably the sweet spot for most drivers watching this video because it balances practicality and premium feel really well. At number 2, we've got the Homaupt leather car seat gap filler. Right away, you can tell the construction is a step above a lot of generic options online. The leather material feels thicker, the shape sits securely between the seat and console, and the fit works well across different vehicle types without looking oversized or awkward. It also has a more structured design, so it doesn't collapse or fold in weird ways after weeks of use. In real-world situations, this is the kind of accessory you install once and honestly forget about, which is exactly what you want. Here's what most people don't realize. The best seat gap fillers are the ones you stop noticing because they just work every single day. The Homaupt does a great job stopping phones, keys, sunglasses, and even loose change from disappearing while still looking clean and organized. It feels reliable during daily use and doesn't shift around constantly like cheaper alternatives. I'd especially recommend this for busy commuters, rideshare drivers, or families constantly in and out of the vehicle. The only drawback is that on extremely tight seat gaps, the thicker design may require a little adjustment during installation. And now we're at number 1. If you want the best overall combination of fit, durability, appearance, and everyday usability, this is the one I'd personally go with. Taking the top spot is the Hiseanllo Car Seat Gap Filler 2-pack. This thing gets the basics right and honestly, that's why it wins. The material feels durable without being overly stiff, the shape fits naturally into most seat gaps, and the overall design strikes a really good balance between functionality and clean interior appearance. It doesn't look cheap, it doesn't feel flimsy, and once it's installed, it genuinely feels like part of the car. In real-world use, this is the gap filler that consistently performs without annoying compromises. Here's where this really stands out: stability. It stays in place extremely well, even if you adjust your seats regularly or drive on rough roads. That alone separates it from a lot of low-quality options online. It also blocks dropped items effectively without interfering with seat belts or seat movement, which cheaper designs sometimes mess up badly. For daily drivers, commuters, and anyone tired of losing phones between the seats, this thing just works. And compared to bargain fillers that wear out fast or lose shape, the Hiseanllo feels built to last. The only downside is that it focuses more on clean functionality than adding fancy storage features, but honestly, that simpler design is part of why it works so well. At the end of the day, the best seat gap filler depends on what matters most to you. If you want something affordable and straightforward, the Givifive is a solid entry-level option. The Edotim gives you a cleaner fit with less movement. The LIBRALUX adds a more premium interior look. The Homaupt balances durability and daily usability extremely well. But if you want the best overall combination of fit, reliability, and long-term value, the Hiseanllo easily takes the number 1 spot. And honestly, once you install a good seat gap filler, you'll wonder why car manufacturers don't include these from the factory. It's one of those simple upgrades that makes daily driving noticeably less annoying. So if this video helped you out, subscribe for more real-world car accessory reviews that skip the hype and focus on what actually works. Check the description for the latest deals on all 5 products and drop a comment with your car or interior setup if you want personalized recommendations. You now know more than most buyers before they click purchase. Go make the smart choice.